Welcome to another State Industrial Products how-to video. In this video, we will be installing and servicing the State Soap Factory Pro. Each Soap Factory Pro comes with the necessary hardware needed to set up the unit. In order to mount the dispenser, you will need the included hardware, the dispenser, a level, a drill with a 1/4 inch drill bit, a screwdriver, a pencil, and safety glasses. First, find a location in the area you wish to install your unit where you are sure that you will not drill into anything, such as pipes or wiring. Next, remove the dispensing component using the tab to release it. Then, using your Soap Factory Pro dispenser as a template, mark the 2 screw holes on the back of the unit. Use a level to ensure that your dispenser will not be crooked when mounted. Now, using your drill and wearing your safety glasses, drill your holes and insert your drywall anchors. Next, screw in your provided mounting screws and peel off the lower adhesive pad. Then slide your unit on, adjusting the screws with the screwdriver to make sure that you get a tight fit that secures your unit to the wall. If you are affixing a Soap Factory Pro to a surface that does not allow for drilling, simply peel off the plastic on the adhesive pads on the back of the unit and use a level to align your unit, and then clean the surface with an alcohol wipe prior to sticking in place. Hold the dispenser to the wall for at least 30 seconds to form a strong adhesion. Screw mounting is the preferred method of mounting whenever possible. With your unit mounted, we are now ready to insert your State soap or sanitizer into the dispenser and prepare it for use. First, using the key provided, use the release button located on the back of the bottom of the unit. The door will fall open. Make sure to catch it to avoid damage to your unit. Next, reinsert the dispensing component. Remove the cap from the soap or sanitizer bag. Loading the bottom of the soap bag first, slide the collar of the bag into place and push it so it locks into place. Make sure the nozzle faces forward towards the door of the unit. Now that the bag is loaded, be sure to insert the appropriate label into the dispenser door window. If you're using a manual dispenser, you're done. Go ahead and close the dispenser door. If you're using a sensored Soap Factory Pro, remove the battery pack and flip the 4 fresh C-cell batteries in the battery carriage 180 degrees. Reinsert the battery carriage and close the door. Be sure to test your unit to make sure everything is working properly. It will take about 3 pumps to fully prime the unit. Thank you for watching this State tutorial video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more how-to videos.